In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Figma Slides presentations. We'll walk through how to get started with Figma Slides from the main dashboard, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you feel confident setting up your own presentation. First, open Figma in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're on the main home or workspace view, not inside a specific design file. At the top right area of this screen, you should see an option labeled Slides. This is where Figma's presentation feature lives. Go ahead and click on Slides. This will take you into the section where all of your slide decks will be created and organized. Think of it as your presentation hub inside Figma, similar to how you might see a list of documents in other productivity tools. If you don't immediately see the slides option, or if you prefer organizing things by team, you can also access slides through a team project on the left side of the screen. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of teams and projects. Click on the team project where you want your new slide presentation to live. This is helpful if you're collaborating with others because your presentation will automatically be stored in the right shared space. Once you're inside that team project, look for a button labeled Create. This is usually located near the top of the project view and is the main way you add new files in Figma. Click on Create. Figma will now ask what type of file you want to make. This is where you choose whether you're building a regular design file, a Fig Jamboard, or in our case, a slide presentation. From the options that appear, click on Slides. Selecting this tells Figma that you want to create a dedicated slides file instead of a general design canvas. After you click Slides, Figma will open a brand new Slides workspace. Here, you'll see your first blank slide and all the familiar Figma tools around it, ready for you to start designing. At this point, you've successfully created a Figma Slides presentation. From here, you can add more slides, drag in images, set up your typography, and use Figma's design features to build a polished deck that's easy to share and present.